guys, I'm with my friend in McDonald's, and I don't know what I'm gonna put up, but I'll just get this. No sabe la cebolla. She says she doesn't like onion. But anyway, I'm just gonna show you what I got from McDonald's because I'm kind of bored. So I already bit into it, but I got a cheeseburger. I got some French fries, and I paid for my friend Eloisa. Say hi. So yeah, this might be a short video. Okay. I know y'all like hamburgers, right? Look at that. Look at this.
Qué presumida.
Look what she's eating. And she has a hamburger.
Pero no me gusta la cebolla.
No puedes taste. Yo también tengo no taste. I think this is the end of the video. I think one time I might do a challenge, the spicy noodle challenge. Maybe, I don't know yet. If I get it, and if my sister wants to play with me, or she wants to play with me, or somebody wants to do it with me, okay? Okay, she wants me to record, so here's all the parts of McDonald's. Look at the slide. One time I jumped in there, like over there on the other side, over there, because my sister Paris wanted a toy, and I had to jump for her. Yep, I had to jump inside to get the toy. I'm like, really? And then my leg had hurt and I was crying because I didn't know how to get up. But that slide helped me out, right? It helped me out. I jumped on it, and then I sit on it, and then I went crawling up, and then I went to that thing right there. You know where the slide ends, which is right there? I climbed up, and then I jumped on the slide, and then I fell. Okay? So I just had to do that because of my sister. I'm gonna eat it. So yeah, excuse me. That's the end of the video, and she got an ice cream. Show them, flip my menu. Show them.
Let me see. I want to see how the camera looks.
Okay, guys, let me kind of like smear it on ya. Okay, let me lick it, okay? I'm trying to put pals.
It doesn't work.
Does it work? No.
It
Doesn't work, but I'm just gonna have
to take this off the camera and then it'll work.
No, it doesn't. I'm just gonna have to lick you, okay? I don't want you to see my tongue. Okay, let me just clean that off. Whoa. Okay, I am done. Oh, go follow my Musical.ly. It's an A, the cursive A with the circle on it. And it's Santa Fala. Y'all know how to spell Santa. And Fala is F-A-L-A. Go follow me and like all of my videos, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, okay? This was a very short clip. But yeah, I hope you all enjoy this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And subscribe. Whenever you subscribe, hit the bell. That will send me a notification. And I hope you all enjoy this video. Okay, guys? Say bye, Eloisa. Bye. No, wait. I have an idea. Bye. Bye.